Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to remove green screen from your video in Premiere Pro. So it's very simple. You have this clip with green screen. To get rid of it, you have to go over here to Effects, click on Effects, and then search for Color Key. This color key effect, drag and drop it on your clip. And now, as you can see, it appeared right here in Effect Control Panel. If you don't see it right here, left click this drop down and click on Effect Controls. Then you have to choose a color. So click on this picker and click on the green color. Green color is picked right now, and increase tolerance, just not too much, and increase edge thin so it not green around her, and then increase edge feather as well. So play with it until it looks fine to you. So for the sake of this tutorial, this is fine. So as you can see, the green screen is now gone. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.